Alright, so basically what I wanted to do was come on today to talk about the pressure of being a YouTuber. Now, I get it. I'm hoping that in a year or 2 or 3 or 4 from now, even 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, I go back and look at this video and I realize some of the things I did wrong just from trying to be a YouTuber. So one of the things that I'm struggling with is the consistency of being ahead. Now, a lot of my vlogs do come daily, meaning they are vlogged that day and posted that day. But what do you do to try to get ahead, to stay ahead of the game? That is my struggle. Yesterday, I didn't post, and there was this like feeling of guilt that I had this kind of like streak going of, I think it was like almost like 2 months or maybe a little bit less of like vlogging daily. I didn't post yesterday, partially because I had a really bad headache and partially because I was tired. Now, I've been watching a lot of these videos online about people and how they organize themselves so they're able to post daily and they're comfortable, but I also hear about the pressure and the anxiety that it builds. I don't want to get into that category. At the same time, there is a pressure. Super grateful that I have 100 people that are at least there subscribed, but once people build that, there's this pressure from the audience to continue. And I guess that pressure is as much as you want to. So if you say you're going to vlog daily, then the expectation is that you are vlogging daily. But sometimes life happens and you can't or you don't want to. And I wonder what happens to those YouTubers that don't. For me, I'm continuing to try to build like this healthy balance, which I haven't really found yet. I'm truly loving the idea of YouTubing and sharing content and posting and getting better at my video editing, etc. But I wonder if there is a process out there that is easier, more organized. So I did talk about this a little bit before, and I talked about how you can make a schedule, and the schedule has been great, but I think I just need to stay on top of it. Why am I doing this video? I don't even know. I think I'm doing this video just to share that I didn't post yesterday and I feel really good about it. That's all. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. If not, oh well. Peace.